Beans unboxing. What we've got here is a felt letterboard 10 by 1 mount and gift box. It comes in this pretty gift box. I guess you can give it as a gift. I'm not too sure why you would want to give this as a gift, but maybe you would. Someone like me. So you open up the box, and look at that. It's all nicely wrapped in this little wrappy paper thing. Let me undo that. And then you can give it to the cat so he can play with it because he likes that stuff. Okay, you gotta see this. You gotta see this. There's the cat playing with the wrappy paper. Okay, anyway, back to the board. So, it comes with this cool little stand. So you can stand it on a table. And it comes with these instructions. We'd love to hear from you. Submit your review. That's kind of cool. But here's the main player. It's all nicely wrapped in bubble wrap. And it comes with a thing here so you can actually mount it on a wall if you want. Or, what I plan to use, is you put it on this thing and then you can set it on a table. And this is all felt. And then you get this handy dandy box o letters and fun little emojis that you can put on it. So numbers and letters. So you've got like a happy face you could put on there. Or this is a snarky happy face. See, snarky happy face. And you stick it on there. You stick it on there like that. And then you can have it say all sorts of things. I'll show you in a moment what I plan to say on it. So see? I can use it as a pricing sign at my book signings. How cool is that?